How to use saved audio on Instagram on post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, open up your Instagram application and make sure you're logged in. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then after tapping on your profile, you can see three dot straight lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that and you can see the option of saved over here. So just tap on that and you can see audio and all post over here. Select on audio and here are all your saved audio posts on Instagram. So you can select any music that you want or any audio you want, and you can tap on use audio and then you can use it on your post. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.